what I noticed, because I studied my market before getting started, was they only publish one video a week. All of them, every single one of them, one video a week. So I thought, oh, okay, well, this is now part of my plan. If I ever want to catch them, catch up to them, possibly even pass them, the only way I can do that when they've already been publishing for a year or 2 or 3, well, I'm going to come out with 3 videos a week. That is my plan, to gain traction as fast as possible, to make this work as fast as possible, and to possibly even, become the #1 channel in Dallas. That's what I believe it will take, is staying consistent on that. And so in the first year of 2021, we published 160 videos, and that is pretty much 3 videos a week. 160 may seem like a lot at the macro level, but when you break that down per week, 3 videos a week, and I just stayed consistent. I was committed to myself to not pull back on that, to stay consistent. That was the #1 goal every single week, just get my 3 videos out and keep the content rolling.